Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Preeti and I am back with another lecture in the SQL series. So in the last video we learnt about inner join. In this particular video we would be learning about left join or left outer join. So without any further ado, let's get started. So left outer join is a part of outer join. Now it is used to fetch all the records from the left table along with the matched records from the right table. So consider that we are having two tables A and B, and A is the left table and B is the right table. So in the left outer join we get all the details of the left table along with the values which is common between A and B table. So we get all the records from the left table along with the matched records from the right table. So we get this entire detail using the left outer join. Now if there are no matching records in the right table, null values are returned for the columns of the right table. So if there is no matching record which is found in the right table, consider that in the left table there are records as 1, 2 and 3, and in the right table there is only 2 and 3. So for the left table it will take all the records 1, 2 and 3, but there is no one which is present in the right table. So for that the values for the right table will be filled as null, or the columns which is present in the right table will be filled as null. So here you can see the query. So we basically give select and then we provide all the columns which we want to show in the final result, and then we provide from, and then we provide table 1. So here table 1 is the left table. We need to maintain this order because eventually we want all the details of the left table. If we reverse the order we will get all the details of the right table. So we need to maintain this order. So we will give from, and then we will give the table 1, and then we will give the left join, and then we will give the table 2. So basically we are performing a left join on table 1, which is taking all the details of table 1 and then the matched details between table 1 and table 2, and then we will provide the condition on which table 1 dot column name is equal to table 2 dot column name. So perform the left outer join on table 1 and table 2 on the basis of the common column which is present between table 1 as well as table 2. So what is the left table? The table specified before the left join keyword is called as the left table, that is table 1, and the table which is specified after the left join keyword, this is the right table. So table 1 is the left table and table 2 is the right table. Now let's see how it is happening. So there are two tables, customer and order. So here customer is the left table and order is the right table. Now in the left outer join what will happen? It will take all the values of the left table and then the common values between the left as well as right table. So firstly it will take all the values of the left table, that is 101, 102 and 103. So it will take 101, 102 and 103. Then it will find the common values between these two tables. So here is ID 101 present here? No, ID 101 is not present here. So for now for order table we will fill the null values for ID 101. Now is ID 102 present here? So yes, the ID 102 is present here. So we will take the value as 102 and fruit. So we will take the value as 102 and fruit. Now is the ID 103 present here? So yes, the ID 103 is present here. So it will take the ID as 103 and the order name as ball. So it will take ID 103 and order name as ball. So for the ID 101, it didn't had any of the entry in the table 2, so it filled null value for all the columns of the table 2. So let's see from the MySQL workbench that how it is happening. So here we performed the inner join. Now let's perform the left outer join. So we will just give select. We'll use the same tables, customer and the order table. So we'll provide select, and then for now let's see all the details. So we will provide star, and then we will provide the table name from, customer, and then we will provide the join, like type of join. So we'll give left join, and then we'll provide the right table name. So the right table name here is orders, and then we will provide the condition. So we'll give on customer dot id is equal to orders dot ID. So this is the condition on basis of which we are performing the left join. Basically this particular column and this particular column is a shared column and they have the equal values. So let's just execute this query. So here you can see that we are getting the ID as 1, name as Rahul, and here in the ID section for the right column we are getting null and null. So basically the values which were not present in the right column we are getting as null and null. Then for the ID 2 there is a value which is present in right table, so we are getting all the values. For ID 3 there was a value, for ID 4 there was also a value, for ID 5 there was value only in the left table but there was no value in the right table, so it is null and null. In this way left outer join performs. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first, and if you like it, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have not followed me on my social media handles, you can go ahead and follow. The links are in the description. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.